Hello guys, my name's Gabriel. We're here with JetSurf USA, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to refuel your gas tank and check the components for you to be able to ride out. Now starting off, what you want to do is you want to check your gas tank first. You want to make sure that the connection into the gas fuel line is connected. You want to make sure that you have your sensor connected right there on the corner. You want to make sure that you fill up your gas tank, not all the way to the top, but to the line right here. You want to make sure that you have your spark plug connected. You want to make sure that you also have your charger plug connected right here. Now, for the mixing fuel ratio of the board, we do have some examples here. We recommend that you get a mixing bottle as well as a 2-stroke full synthetic, not a blend. You need to make sure that it says full synthetic. Now for your mixing bottle, you're gonna make sure that you're mixing the fuel ratio, a 50-to-1 ratio of oil to gas. So you wanna make sure that you pick up either a bottle at your nearest parts store, or you purchase it directly through us. Depending to how many gallons or liters of gas, what you want to make sure is if you're doing 5 gallons of gas, you fill up to the 5-gallon mark with oil, you put that into your gas tank, and you go ahead and mix your gas and be able to pour it into your gas tank on the board. For any questions, feel free to reach us back at JetSurf USA. Have a good day.